guys, it's me, Thriftastic Mom, and today I am going to share with you, finally, my Christmas home decor video of 2018. I know it's took me a little while to get it up, but I'm finally ready to show you guys how I decorated this year. So let's get started. I wanted to show you that when I walk in my back door, I hung up my little sign here, because most people come in my back door and this will be the first thing they see. It says home for the holidays, and it's got the little red truck on it. I think I picked this up from Dollar Tree, or I'm not sure, I could be wrong. But anyway, I picked that up, and that's where I got it hanging, right as they come in the back door. Over here on my stove, I just have some snowmen. I have my little snowman plate here that a friend gave me. Come from a YouTube subscriber. Her name's Donna. I got this little tractor set out. It's a salt and pepper shaker. I found this here. It's just a little recipe holders, but I thought it was cute. I love the colors. So I just set that there. And on each side of my stove, I got two little green trees. And then, of course, I got this little sign that I normally hang up back here behind my stove. It says Christmas comes from the heart. And then over here to the side of my stove, this is something new I just picked up from the thrift store. I only give 50 cents for it, y'all. Cute little snowman that says joy. It's actually a little like goodie jar, smaller than a cookie jar. It's really cute. I like that. So that's pretty much all I have over here at my stove. I did want to show you guys that I have a red truck rug down here in front of my sink. I give under $5 for this rug. I think I got it from the Burlington Coat Factory. That's something new that I picked up. Okay, up here at the top of my fridge, I just got that joy sign that I picked up from a thrift store. I actually just put a picture of me and my husband in it. Looks like we're just peeking out at everybody. So I set it up there just to give a little touch of color, because it was kind of plain up there with nothing up there. Then I have my nativity setting up there on top of that. I took a lot of my magnets off so it wouldn't look too cluttered, just for the holidays. As I come down from the side of my fridge here, you will see that this is where I put my hot cocoa station. It took me a while to get it the way I wanted it, but I think it turned out pretty cute. I got this little area full. I bought this sign here at Hobby Lobby. It says, "Baby, it's cold outside, warm up here." And I initially was going to put it on the refrigerator here, but you couldn't see it from the living room. So I thought if I put it this way on this wall, people could see it from in there, and they would be drawn to it and come over here and see that there's hot chocolate, without me having to, really tell them about it. I ordered me a cup holder off of Amazon there, silver cup holder. And I put my little cups that I got from Dollar Tree on it. I never did find the 6th cup. It holds 6. I got 5 on it. So that's what we're working with. I never could find another one. I guess that proves that I should have got all the cups at one time. Okay, right here we have this cute little boot. And I got that at a thrift store. I thought it was just so adorable. And I just put candy canes in that. And then I just got a little thing of red sprinkles, a little thing of cinnamon sitting there. I got this cute little I Heart Cocoa cup from Hobby Lobby. And I just put in some more candy canes. I love putting candy canes in my hot chocolate, stirring up my hot chocolate with it. Sometimes I just drop a whole one down in my hot chocolate and let it dissolve, and it tastes so good. I got some of these little stir spoons in case anybody needs one. I put those in there. I got those from Hobby Lobby. And right here I just picked up this little jar from the Dollar Tree, put some red and green M&Ms in that, just in case somebody wants a little snack. And then back here I got these little red tongs. I think I got those from Walmart. Those are just to grab the marshmallows out with. I put the marshmallows in this tall plastic cylinder that I had picked up at a thrift store. I just tied a little bit of red jute on it right there, just to tie in a little bit of red since it's plain and clear. And then back here, I picked up this cute little red plastic container at a thrift store. It just says festive cheer, Christmas, happy holidays, fa la la, Noel. And I put all of my hot chocolate in there, and they can just dip it out when they want hot chocolate. And then I picked up these little Christmas cups here, and they got lids up under them in case anybody wants to take some hot cocoa to go. So I got those, and I just kind of layered everything where everything could kind of be seen, and I just thought it turned out really cute. I didn't put anything under it because, you know, when you're making hot cocoa, it makes a mess, and I didn't want to have to keep taking out a tray or keep taking out a piece of cloth that I may have layered under it to clean it, you know, and get the cocoa off of it and stuff like that, because me and my husband does drink out of this cocoa, you know, pretty often, so I didn't want to be cleaning it a lot, so I just left the cabinet bare there, which I did try putting something under, and I really didn't like the way it looked, so I'm like, no, I'm just putting it back the way I had it. But that's my little hot cocoa section, and I love it. I hope the kids will enjoy that when they come over. Okay, y'all know that I always have to dress up my china cabinet, so this is what it looks like. I only put one picture up over here this year. It says Happy Holidays. And then up there I got some trees and a snowman. It says Noel. I always love setting up these little scenes around my house. I got some cards and some little pictures I've took with my Polaroid on my front door there. And I don't know if you can tell, but inside my door here, I'm going to have these actually lit up when I have my family come over. That's my little nativity scene. It turns different colors. And then I got this little ball. I don't think I've showed y'all this. Pretty little ball. It lights up and changes colors too. I'm going to have that lit up also. And then I just got a couple cards that I've received. A couple pictures that I've took with my Polaroid. And of course I'll probably have some more after we have our little Christmas party to tuck up there. Okay, this year I took my glass piece and put a Christmas tree in it, some fake snow, and one of the little red trucks with a tree. And I just set this up on my bar. This is where I've been keeping it. Looks really cute, and you can kind of see the scene from in the living room and in the kitchen. And then back there I just have my Thomas Kincaid nightlight plugged up beside the kitchen window. It's really cute. Over here where my husband sits in my recliner, I just had this little snowman that he got last year. I set it out on his table, and I picked up this cute little, it's just a little plush gingerbread man, and I just hung him off of my lamp here just to have something hanging. Okay, from the couch over here I have this. Over here is just a gift that my husband bought me, and I got it sitting out the way because it's big, but y'all will see that when I do my what I got for Christmas video. On this little side table here beside my couch, I right now just have a snowman with a candle sitting on it. I probably won't light it. It's just for looks because I will have kids coming over. Unless I light it, you know, just for me and my husband in here one evening. I got my little Merry Christmas Y'all ball hanging off of my lamp there because I love that ball that my son got me for Christmas, and I always like to hang it somewhere in here. Then up here on my shelves, I just got some red trees. That little snowman in the middle, I just picked him up from the thrift store for about 50 cents. My little red bird, I got on clearance last year. I just bought that little Merry Christmas pillow. I thought it was cute. I don't remember where I got it, maybe Burlington. And then I just stuck my little deer up there with some pine cones and red flowers and stuff around him. Poinsettia flowers. Just to fill those two little shelves in. So that's what that looks like. And I'll probably set out my coasters here. I have some red coasters that I'm going to set here. I just haven't got them out yet. Just to have a little something extra there on my table. Okay, over here by my front door, I have my jingle bells hanging on my front door there. And under my clock, I bought this table here and put it under there. And I give 20 bucks for this table from a thrift store. And I just wanted something to be able to set some more decorations on. So I thought it was the perfect size. It is a 3-shelf table. So on the very bottom is where I put my pine cones. I did a little video showing you guys me putting the pine cones together in that little red basket that I had. Well, it's like a red tin really, and I put some lights in that. So I put that on the bottom shelf just to fill that shelf up. And I got that big red ornament laying there. That's something that I had picked up from a thrift store. Tree, and then my little lantern. My new truck that I finally found from the Hobby Lobby. And then on the top I got my sign that says Happy Holidays. And there is a pretty floral arrangement that my friend gave me. It's got pine cones in it. And this new snowman here with the lantern is something that I picked up new. I think I got it at either Walgreens or CVS or something. I think it was Walgreens. But I think it looks good under my clock. Sitting there. It's really cozy in here at night when I turn all the little flickering lights on and have all of that stuff lit up at night. I do need to tuck those wires in back there behind my curtain a little better so you can't see that. But I love this little table. I think it turned out cute. Right here on each side of my VCR, I got my little nativity clear ball and a little snowman. I do need to put a battery in him. I haven't picked one of those little batteries up yet. But I'm going to have him running. And I also have this little Merry Christmas sign setting up there. Of course, I wanted to keep my coffee table basic with just a few ornaments laying in this tray because I do have kids coming over and I want it where I can just simply just pick that up and get it out of the way. My couch is basic with my normal throw and my red and brown pillows. I might remove the brown pillows just to have a little extra room for people to sit, but for now that's what it looks like. This is the only bathroom that I decorate because most time people are not in mine and I don't bother with decorating it. But anyway, I have a gold shower curtain in here and I have a cross on my wall here. So I thought I would just keep it simple, go with some simple neutral colors in here. I picked up this sign from Hobby Lobby. It says all is calm, all is bright. And then, of course, I put my little candle on the back of the commode there just to lighten up the bathroom when the light's not on. Just give them a little spark of festive when they walk in the restroom. I got that at the thrift store. I don't remember how much I paid for it. Probably $1. And then over here on my sink, I just put a simple little green tree with a little pine cone laying beside it. And I got some kind of reddish colored hand soap to set there. And then I put a little angel. Set a little angel back there. I thought she was cute. I picked her up at a thrift store also. And that's pretty much it. I got my brown towel up here. I need to get me a red towel and put up in here. Make it a little bit more colorful. But that's pretty much my bathroom. I went kind of simple with it. Simple and just touches of neutral in there. And here is the Christmas tree. Went with some truck theme, paper, grays, reds, greens. Truck theme. This one over here is red and greens with some gold and white. And then this one on this side is red and silvers. This one over here was actually a gift to me. A friend of mine picked it up, give it to me. That's all of my Christmas gifts. I know I live in a small place, so I don't have a lot of room. I decorate mainly just these two rooms and my little bathroom in there. And that's about it. So guys, I hope y'all have a wonderful Christmas this year for 2018. I hope you enjoyed seeing my home decor that I put out this year. I enjoy doing this. I enjoy making these videos for you guys. If you did, y'all leave me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell too. That way you'll be notified when I put up a new video. So, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Don't forget the real reason of this season is our Lord Jesus Christ. God bless you all. Bye.